but 2 countries. Oh, alegre pa siya kayo. Tinanong niyo, what's your status? Sabi ko, single. Mami, German. Tingnan niyo guys, so legible.
球上安全帶嘅燈號識別位置。
Hey besties, good afternoon. So I'm currently here at our favorite place again here in Cebu. So I'm currently here at the airport. So I'm still with John and right now another adventure tayo. So I'm so excited kasi we will be unlocking another country together and it's a bit special or something kakaiba for us kasi we are not just hitting one but 2 countries. I will share more details on the vlog later on. So right now I'm just currently here outside the airport. Waiting for the check-in counter to open para ilagay namin yung luggage. So by the way, we will be heading to Vietnam. And yes guys, upon searching, walang direct flight going to Vietnam from Cebu. So specifically, we are going to Hanoi. I will share more details later on guys once we are settled down. So first is mag-check-in counter kami, tapos we will pay the travel tax since it was not included in our ticket. So see you guys later on. Hey besties, so ayan, since tapos na kaming mag-online check-in, so right after nung pumasok kami dito sa airport is nagbayad na ulit kami ng travel tax which is 1,620. So right now we are currently waiting for our bag drop. Ayan, sa check-in counter. So by the way, upon entering sa airport is dyan mo makikita yung travel tax. So dyan kayo magbayad in case if hindi kayo nakabayad online. So right now is mag-bag drop kami. So we are flying pala via Cathay Pacific. So actually guys, first time din namin. So we are so excited.
Baggage for check-in, please. It's okay.
Hey besties, tapos na kami sa travel tax, tapos na kami sa check-in, so tapos na kami nag-bag drop ng aming mga check-in luggage and right now is we are here lang outside sa immigration kasi kakain muna kami kasi bumili kami ng laylam rice. So kain muna kami kasi if doon kami sa loob bibili medyo mahal, so tipid tips muna tayo ngayon. So we have here laylam rice lang, bili lang namin siya outside sa airport. Ayan. So let's eat. And current situation. Yay! Let's eat, guys. Hey besties, ayan. So finally tapos na kaming kumain guys. So right now we are on our way na sa immigration. So wish us luck guys. Ayan. Hello! Let's go immigration! So after that one, chika ko kayo kung ano yung mga scenario na i-face namin. So see you later! Hey besties, finally nakalagpas na tayo sa immigration. So actually medyo chill lang talaga yung immigration officer na natapat sa akin. So first is tinanong niya or hinanapan niya ako ng return ticket. So as usual, yan talaga yung parang basic na requirements or most of the time yan yung hanapin ng immigration officer. Tapos nag-ask din siya regarding OSC. I don't know if what's OSC. Tapos itong OSC kasi I really don't know what's OSC. So ayan, sinabi ko OSC or COE, baka namali siya. Kaya yung sinabi ko COE, siya no. Tapos sinanong niya, what's your status there? What's your status? oh alegre pa siya kayo. Wala, I-remember, tinanong niya, what's your status? Sabi ko, single. Uy, what he meant pala is, siya, parang status kung ano ka doon sa country na pupuntahan mo. So, OSC is parang, I don't know if, what's the term eh? Okay, search natin, what's the meaning OSC, ha? Overseas Employment Certificate. Okay, so ito pala yung what he meant pala, overseas employment certificate. So syempre, I don't know that one. So, sabi ko, wala. So, sabi ko, no. I'm employed here in the Philippines. So, after that one, tinanong din ko, sino yung kasama ko? Sabi ko, fiancé. Tapos, tanong niya, is your fiancé Filipino also? Yes. Ayun. So, yeah, we're here na lang. Tapos, sa'yo pala, I don't know pala your story. So, what's your story, Juan, about sa immigration experience mo?
Wala naman siyang sinabi. Binigay ko lang yung authority to travel ko, tapos yun na.
So again, if you are government employee is you need to secure your authority to travel. So medyo maraming siya process, but it's okay. It's really one of the requirements na guys. So you should comply that one. So wala kayong magagawa guys if you're a
government worker, dapat talaga.
Okay.
Kasi pag wala yan, no.
Anong no?
No, you're going home.
I don't know. It depends pa rin sa immigration officer. Tapos, he asked pala if what's the name of my company, kung ano daw. So, since I'm already parang direct client, something na ako. So, minention ko yung company name na yun. Tapos, in-ask din niya ako if I'm still updated with my previous company. So, sabi ko, hindi na. Then, in-ask din niya ako if my position is still the same. So, sabi ko, oo. So, ayun. Then, pinicturean na niya ako. And then, good to go na. So, yay! So far, so chill naman. So, we're so happy. So, Hong Kong, here we go! Ay! Okay guys. So, ano pala talaga? Yung biyahe namin is Cebu to Hanoi. Since wala siyang direct flight from Cebu, kaya meron kaming layover sa Hong Kong, which is we are so excited also kasi it's our first time there. So parang we are hitting two birds in one stone. Char! Diba? So we're hitting Vietnam and Hong Kong. So we opted na lang Hong Kong guys kasi meron namang Cebu to Hanoi tapos yung layover Manila. We opted na lang Hong Kong since siya, medyo i-compare namin yung prices kung may layover sa Manila at saka Hong Kong is parang same lang or mas mahal pa yung Manila guys kasi wala pa siyang check-in luggage. Tapos upon searching sa Cathay Pacific is meron na siyang check-in luggage 23 kilos tapos 7 kilos na hand carry tapos may meal na siya. So di ba guys, sulit siya, although medyo pricey talaga yung pa-Vietnam. So okay, wala tayong magagawa, yun na yun. So, ayun, what else pa? So, we're excited. Meron kami 18 hours layover. So, yung next flight namin is tomorrow around 5 p.m. 5 p.m. pa siya. Tomorrow, 5 p.m. So, meron pa kaming time to explore Hong Kong. Mga 5 hours siguro. Kasi,
After sleep.
oo, kasi right now guys, it's currently 5:35 guys. Tapos, yung departure time namin is 7:45 p.m. So, most likely, darating kami sa Hong Kong around 9 or 10 p.m. na. So, ayun, matulog lang kami sa airport, waiting na mag-morning. Para after that one, siguro mga 5 a.m. pupunta kami sa Hong Kong City talaga. Or yung Tim Sa Tsui, yun, parang Avenue of Stars, yun. Doon kami mag-explore lang before boarding sa aming next flight. Going to Hanoi! Yay!
And the luggage.
By the way guys, parang yung luggage namin is kukunin na lang namin siya directly doon sa Hanoi na. Hopefully, yun yung talagang mangyari, no?
Hopefully, walang masira, walang mabibiyak. Walang mawawala.
Kasi first time namin merong layover, so we don't know what to do. Or, bahala na si Batman. So, yun lang guys. So, we're waiting na lang for our boarding gate to open. So, it's still early pa naman. So, chill lang kami here. Ayan o. Yay! So, we are so excited. So, by the way guys, tips pala if in case you are a first time traveler. So, 72 hours before sa departure time niyo or sa flight niyo is you need to secure your e-travel. So, fill out niyo yan dun sa eGov.ph na app. So, you need to fill up those para siyang departure card, something like that. You need to fill up your name, your passport number, and then informations kung saan kayo magstay and all that. And then, before pala going sa airport is naka-online check-in na kami. So, sa Cathay Pacific is 78 hours before sa aming departure time. So, ayan, nakapag-online check-in kami. Kaya, right after nung pumasok kami sa airport is dumiretso na kami doon sa travel tax. Magbayad kami ng travel tax. So, yung travel tax is 1,620. So, medyo mahal guys. I know. So, yun talaga is one of the requirements if you are traveling internationally. And then, what else pa? And then, after nun ng travel tax is, pumunta kami sa bag drop para since meron kasi kaming check-in luggage, so you need to drop your bags over there. And then, after that one is, ayun na siya sa immigration na. So, for immigration naman is you need to prepare some documents lang. In case hahanapin ni immigration officer, so, most likely is your return ticket. Then, please also secure na lang or print out na lang siguro ng mga accommodations niyo para in case lang talaga hanapin ni immigration officer. And then, mga booking activities siguro. So, meron kasi mga immigration officer is hahanapin yung mga booking activities ninyo. Also, secure that one para meron kayo maipakita sa kanila. And then, since visa-free si Vietnam, so, yun yung mga hahanapin or most likely hahanapin ng immigration officer. And then COE also if you're employed. Then what else? I guess that's all. I guess that's all. So depende pa rin talaga sa immigration officer kung ano yung mga need na i-elaborate nila, ganyan. So siguro based siguro sa aming mga travel history, so siguro yun yung one of the reason bakit hindi kami masyadong tinanong. So praise God naman doon. Thank you Lord. And then what else ba? Siguro secure din your company ID. Yes, company ID, kasi the last time na nag-travel kami doon sa Thailand is hinanapan din ako ng company ID. So please secure that one also para for your peace of mind. Ayan, waiting lang kami dito sa boarding gate para mag-open. So I'm so excited, guys, for more travel again. First time namin mag-Vietnam at saka first time namin sa Hong Kong, so we are so excited. So see you guys later if mag-open na yung boarding gate. Hey guys, it's currently 5:50 and parang nag-change kami ng boarding gate from 22B is pupunta kami sa gate 15, tapos nag-mention sila na we will depart now. I don't know if it's true or what. So, we will verify if totoo yung sinabi nila. Ay, excuse me. Nausap ang boarding...
Gate lang, ma'am.
Ang gate lang. Okay, thank you. Okay, so yung gate lang pala yung nausap. Yung gate lang pala yung na-change, guys. So, yung departure time and all is still the same. So, kinakabahan kami nun. Hey besties, it's currently 7:50, so we are currently boarding. So ayan, on the way na kami. See you later, Hong Kong!
Picture. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye.
Yay! Let's go! Soon guys, dyan tayo. Business class. Manifest natin yan. So we're here na sa plane. Guys, look. Meron silang entertainment TV. Ayan. So all chairs is merong TV. First time natin yan. I'm so excited. Ayan guys, merong TV. Wow! Nice sugars. Let's go! Hello! Let's go! Here we go! So yung seat number is 56. Hey besties, ayan, nasa seat na kami. And sobrang ganda ng plane guys. Amazing, like, amazing. Tingnan nyo. Like a TV. First time namin sumakay ng plane na may TV. You can also charge your phone here, I guess. Then they will provide headset as well. First, see you later, Hong Kong. So you can use headset as well. So i-plug mo lang dito. You can also charge your phone here. Diba guys? Amazing guys. See this ayan. Our food is already served. Here. We have here our food na guys. So mine is chicken rice. Tapos kay John is pork pasta. Pero mainit pa guys, so I can't open. Ayan. Food is here. Ito sa akin, chicken rice. Then kay John is pork pasta. Ayan. loves. Ice cream. Wow. Then I have here orange juice. Inita. Hey besties, we're about to take off.
我哋嘅家香港，為安全起見，請留喺座位並保持安全帶扣上，直接扣上安全帶嘅燈號熄滅為止。當打開行李櫃時，請小心以免物件跌下。離開機艙時，請帶齊所有嘅隨身行李，避免遺留喺機上。你而家可以使用有網絡。
So, dyan tayo. Hey besties, we're finally here at Hong Kong! Yay, we're finally here! Nasa Hong Kong na kami guys, after like more or less mga 3 hours din yung flight going here sa Hong Kong. So by the way, nag-eSIM lang kami and so far gumagana siya. So nakapag-online na ako and nabook lang namin siya sa Klook. I will just put the link on the description box below. So yan, punta muna kami sa immigration. So, see you later. Ayan, besties, we are going na sa immigration. So, follow nyo lang yung mga signs. So, most likely, paakyat talaga siya. I think mga ika-third na namin na escalator ito. So, yan. Punta muna kami sa immigration. Then, after that one, hahanap kami ng pwesto kung saan matulog. Kasi bukas pa yung aming flight going to Hanoi. Sa airport lang kami matutulog. Yes, guys. That's the plan. Let's go! Tingnan nyo guys, after the escalator, so another escalator again. So ito yung mga forma niya dito. Ayan o. Follow nyo lang yung mga signage. Ayan, immigration, transfer desk. Yan. So if you're going to mainland or Macau, yan, you can also follow that sign. Hey besties, it's currently 1:03 AM. So medyo nag-struggle kami, naghahanap ng saan place or resting lounges, pero apparently pala no, parang sa departure lang siya. So sa arrival is nandito lang kami. So dito kami matutulog guys until siguro mga 6 AM. So we're here lang. Tingnan nyo. Can you sleep? Ayan. So ito yung current situation namin guys. So dito kami matutulog until 6 AM siguro. So it's currently 1:04 AM. Let's do this. Good night guys.